Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can remove web credential in Windows 10. So for this you need to head to the search icon and type control panel and click on the control panel. Once the control panel opens, you need to find out the Credential Manager, and here it is. You just need to click on that. You will see two categories, web credentials and the Windows credentials. So click on the web credentials to view the list of the saved website logins. And now click on this arrow to expand it. And now click the remove in the bottom of the expanded section. A confirmation box will appear asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete it, and then click yes. This process primarily affects credentials saved via Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. If you use browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, they typically store password within their own internal settings rather than Windows Credential Manager. So once a credential is removed, Windows will no longer automatically fill in those login details. So ensure you have the password written down or stored in a secondary manager if you still need access to that site. So that's all for the day. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.